Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well today. Here we have a list of products with a delete button next to each item. When I click on the delete button, a confirmation pop-up appears asking if I am sure I want to delete the product. If I confirm, the product will be removed from the list. Now let's dive into the code to see how we can implement this functionality step by step. Here is our product list from the last tutorial. Let's first add a delete button to each product in our list. This button will allow us to trigger the delete process. Once we have the button, we need to manage its behavior by creating a state to control whether the delete window is open or closed. We also need another state to keep track of the ID of the product we want to delete. The next step is to create a function that handles opening the delete window. This function will set the appropriate state to display the window and store the ID of the product to be deleted. Once the function is ready, we update the delete button to use this function when clicked. To ensure that the modal window can be closed correctly, we also create a function to handle closing the modal window, which will reset the state values. Finally, we add the delete modal window itself to the JSX, which will be displayed when the state says it should be opened. Inside this modal window, we include options to confirm or cancel the deletion. The last function to create is the one that performs the deletion of the product from the list after confirmation. This function will filter products with given ID and update the list accordingly and close the modal window. We then use this delete function in the onClick attribute of the confirm button inside the modal to ensure that the product is deleted when the user confirms. Now that we've implemented the delete functionality, let's see how it works. When I click on a delete button, a modal pops up asking for confirmation to delete the product. If I confirm, the product is removed from the list. And that's it. We've added a delete feature to our product list, making it more dynamic and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.